Let's go. Let's do it. Let's go. Let's do it. Let's go. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. We're gonna probably watch this twice because this is going to be awesome. Let's go. Oh, this is. Oh, actually, yeah. This is the first time this is actually being performed in a like arena. Oh my god. Aurora. Oh, Zoe. Yeah. Oh, that's why her hair was this color. Oh. I get emotional. The song means a lot to me. See, look at the fans. It's for live, bro. For live too. I'm gonna let them sing. I'll let them sing. Sorry. Come on, girls. You got this. I'm nervous because this is gonna be a big deal. Come on, girls. You got this. Let's do it. Whew. I'm nervous. No, I'm not nervous. I'm really, really excited because they're gonna seal the honeymoon tonight. Let's do it. Let's go, Rora. Oh. Yes. I'm gonna get emotional. Oh, get emotional. Oh, it's so beautiful. Oh my god, Aurora and oh my god, Farita just did amazing. Come on, Aya. Oh, Aurora. Oh yeah, they're saving the powerhouse to the end. Let's get it. Let's get Ayo in. Oh, that's so cute. I'm pretty emotional. What the hell? I love this song. Sorry. Yes. Wow. Wow, I'm really, really obsessed with Aurora's like vocals here. Like the girl they all see. Oh my god, Farid, let's get it. Oh, beautiful. Oh, yeah. Gonna be going. Oh, our multilingual queen. Wow. Wow. That was great. That was amazing. Aurora, wow, that was a really because Aurora obviously her voice is very more on the deeper side and more on the lower tone, which is awesome because obviously the song starts like that. I mean, like I was a ghost, I was alone. It fit perfectly because also I also say the same about Mira's vocals, where with in K-pop Demon Hunters, Ajay Nuna, um, Farita also with that very, very distinct, very, very, what makes these three perfect is that they have three different voices. You know what I mean? They it's definitely sound very, very different from one another, but always flow so well. It's always been the same with Baby Monster. You know what I mean? Baby Monster, literally every member is different from one another, yet together they become this full-on like Super Saiyan monster, whatever you want to call it. I don't know, but anyways, they sealed it. They sealed the honeymoon. So we're gonna watch this again because I definitely was just getting a little emotional with it because man, this song means a lot to me. This is what it sounds like too. It just I've heard this probably more times than I don't think I've ever heard a song more times than I ever did in less than 6 months. This is probably what this movie is what 4 or 5 months now, or maybe even more, but or less. But this it is clearly an understatement to say that this song is very popular and this song is very impactful to people. I've talked about it before where I said like, it came at the right time for me. So especially knowing it's Baby Monster, where Baby Monster definitely made songs that made me get emotional too, like Dream, for example. Definitely, just hits a little chord. I'm a little biased because, YG, but at the same time, I'm just really supportive of these girls because, after everything that they've gone through, all of the people in the world who are trying to tear them down, who's trying to steal their soul, you know what I mean, like Guima or the demons, I'm just happy that they're able to, shine through, and become golden for all the fans in the world, who love K-pop. It's awesome. So let's go check this out one more time and then we will talk about it more. Let's go. I personally loved. This is what it sounds like. I felt like they set the tone here already. It's a lot of pressure, man. You have no idea how much pressure this is. The fact that it's all Baby Monster too just shows that Baby Monster's the real deal. Shattering the silence, horizon, defining. You're not alone. Let's get. I'm gonna just have fun with this now. So I was nervous. That's why I'm like holding this like this. But now I'm free, free. Ironic, right, Baby Monster? And yet, they're the ones sealing it. Let's go. I was a ghost, I was alone. And I cheat, Ooh, Rora. Oh, so smooth. Sights. Oh, I love that. Ooh, love the wow. It's just Farita. It sounds like Farita. Love it. Unique. She reminds me so much of like the uniqueness of like a park bomb. It's just awesome. This is the original pitch too. Oh, I love the people in the back. All the kids singing too. Drums. You tell the crowd too, like when she hit the Born to Be. Wow, I'm getting emotional. I don't know why, but like when she hit the Born to Be, the crowd just they just round of applause. I can imagine Chiquita, Ruka, Asa are like in the back, and Rami are in the back, like oh, dude, I can imagine. Yeah, we got three main vocalists on stage, man. Gotta be golden. Up and down the rise. Gotta be golden. Oh, ayun. Gotta be golden. Oh, she could went higher. She could went higher on this song too. So whiny. Oh, look at that shot. Uh, I get emotional because I'm just so happy. Wow, I gotta stop. I get emotional because I'm just so happy that the world is loving something that I've loved for 15 years. It's a good feeling. You know what I mean? Imagine back then, you can only have like what, five people who can talk to K-pop about in the world. That's kidding. In the in your area, K-pop in your area. Yeah, I'm just kidding, and I'm not really. But it's definitely been something where it's like people are now asking me about K-pop Demon Hunters. People are now asking me about what to recommend for K-pop. People are now asking me like, "Oh my God," or like telling me like, "Wow, now I know why. Now I know why you love it so much." It's a great feeling, you know what I mean? It's a really, really great feeling because I don't look at K-pop. People will say like, "Oh, you look at K-pop because you want to see the beautiful girls. You want to see, for other people, obviously the handsome dudes, and all of that, the visuals and everything." For me, it's the music, it's the impact. I just learned to love this genre so much, over the years. I'm a big fan of pop music, a big, big fan. If you guys don't know, I've been a fan of Black Eyed Peas. Yeah, I mean, and obviously when Black Eyed Peas wasn't as active anymore, I discovered and very, very, very grateful for my cousin. Shout out to A. She's the one who told me to buy a CD back in the Philippines. Shiny, you know what I mean? And the rest is history, you know what I mean? I never stopped, never, never stopped not loving K-pop. I was always, always, always there. From every single comeback, every single song, every single group that debuted, every single idol that came to be, I was there. Obviously, I didn't get to check every single person out, but I pretty much checked out pretty much all of the very, very, known, groups in the world. Even the very, very unknown too. So like, it's definitely very, very emotional for me just for that reason that people are loving something that I've loved for so many years. You know what I mean? It's like people are finally appreciating you because of like, oh, now we know what makes Joshua so happy and joyful. And to know that people are happy and joyful too because of K-pop. I'm just really, really, it just makes me happy because I like to see people, be happy. Oh, they killed it. Oh my God. Honestly, this shot right here even just looks like it looks animated, honestly, right here. This shot, like the scene where let's see, is it better if it's like this? Oh yeah, it's perfect. It's so perfect. That is literally Mira, Rumi, and Zoe. That is literally animated. Looks animated. That is perfect. That is my thumbnail, no question. Anyways, oh, they did amazing. I'm so happy for Farita. I think Farita definitely was really carrying it with her own vocal color. It's so good, even though, like, despite all of the pressure, Rora with her very high, low registered notes, definitely like I've said before, she is very they're all unique. But Rora for me, in like when I first checked out her um introduction, like performance, that very R&B, I really knew that she could definitely be one of those vocalists. And Ayun, man, Ayun, vocal ace, vocal powerhouse. She is the ace. I don't care what people say. She is good at everything. Everything. She is a master at everything. I'm just it's cool because the song kind of really relates to her because, there's a lot of people that brought her down, a lot of people that were all over the comments and just on social media, just tearing her down. And then, even she didn't even debut right away, because of, what happened, with her health. So it's definitely, you can see why. I can probably see that, this definitely came from a lot of emotions inside for her too. So, they did amazing. They did. There's no other words. They just did amazing. In other words, they just sealed the honeymoon for me in my heart. Love it. Baby Monster, I'm forever gonna be a fan. I will definitely bet if they perform this live at a concert or something, I am so down gonna go. Anyways, yeah, man, it's my reaction, guys. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to check out more from Baby Monster. Like I said, do so fun. I don't care about the views, but I kind of do. I really do. I mean, appreciate K-pop, something I've loved since 2010. It is my safe space. I made so many great memories with it. I'm here to appreciate Baby Monster. They did amazing. They are definitely on the pedestal of K-pop right now. They are truly in this. I said it would we go up. They're in their villain era in a good way. The villain that we support. But right now they are the heroes of the world because they just sealed the honeymoon. Let's go. Anyways, Monsties, that was awesome. I hope that everyone is so proud of them. I hope everyone's so happy for them. They did amazing. I said amazing at least 100 times on this video. But anyways, I'll see you guys next time. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out.